Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mobile. So in today's video, we will unlock a new phone, as I have promised you to unlock 100 phones in my 100-day challenge. So guys, in today's video, we have a Oppo phone, and we don't know password of this phone, and we have to unlock this phone. Okay, so if I show you, this is the phone. Okay, this is of Oppo, and now we will unlock this phone. Okay. Now guys, before unlocking the phone and before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, from here. First of all, what we will do is here. So I am just trying different passwords, but it is not working, as you can see. Okay, so now guys, you can see that it is not working, so we will go into emergency call option. Okay, so there's an emergency call option in each Android phone. So here I'll dial a code that you have to dial star 4455789 4455789 star 3698 star 4455789 star 3698 hash. So guys, this is the code star 4455789 star 3698 star 4455789 star 3698. So guys, you have to dial this code and you have to tap on OK option. Again dial this code. You have to dial this code for 8 to 9 times. Guys, repeat the same steps with me and dial this code for at least 8 to 9 times. Now guys, just go back and here again tap on emergency call option. So again we are in emergency call option, and now we will add a new code, that is 8857, sorry, it is 7 88576 88576 star 22554 88576 star 22554. So guys, this will only work for Oppo phones, so don't try in any other phone, but it will work for different models of Oppo. Not on all, but it will work on most of them. So guys, you have to dial this code for at least 8 to 9 times and tap on OK. So guys, now we are done. So guys, now we are done and we will go back. So guys, again going to emergency call option, and now you have to dial a code 12255 12255 star 5689 hash 12255 star 5689 hash. So guys, just dial this code for 3 times and again go back. Again go into emergency call option and dial star 11000 5 zeros 5 zeros star 5896 hash star 110000. There are 5 zeros star 5896 hash, and you have to dial this code for 3 times. Now guys, we will just restart this phone and hopefully it will get unlocked. So guys, just tap to restart. It is getting restart and we are just waiting. So guys, meanwhile it's getting restart, you can go and do comment that which is the next phone which you want to see getting unlocked, and you're liking my videos or not, and if you are, then do comment so it will motivate me. And please share it with your friends also, and do subscribe to my channel. Guys, I know it's taking time, it's difficult for me also, but just wait and see that it will get unlocked. So guys, now it got restart and we will see. So guys, congratulations, phone got unlocked, and you can also unlock your phone without factory reset, without any data loss. You can see all the apps are there, everything is same. I hope you liked my video and thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.